Okay, welcome back. Look at the question. It's going to be very simple. So what they ask means the price of sugar is increased by 40%. Okay, normal person with a normal person it is increased by 40%. Now what they say means how much percentage should a family decrease the consumption of sugar, because that is called what economic family. Okay, because already sugar cost is increasing, so that they have to adjust some sugar. Okay, so if they do adjust means in a bottle as usual the sugar remains the same. That is why this question. So how much they have to reduce their consumption, they have to make it as economical. Okay, very simple shortcut I say. Okay, this type of questions will definitely ask in the examination. How it will be means, so what you do means what, let the increase in percentage, so let the increase, okay, so let the increase in percentage be some b percentage. Okay, so what it means, you take the b. Okay, then how much percentage should a family decrease its consumption? Okay, so it's going to be decrease. Okay, decrease consumption because it's increased by percentage, right? So what it means, what increase by percentage, so plus 100 you have to take because r is the plus 100. Okay, and what it means, and finally you have to totally make it as a 100%. That's the only simple trick. Okay, I want to say. Okay, so what's the b? You want to go by 40, so divided by 40 plus 100, and totally it will be into 100%. Is it right? So when I get a divide by 40 by 140 and into 100, so it will be cancel this one, and when you completely cancel everything means what, you will get 400 divided by 14, and so totally after cancellation everything you will get 28.57%, and approximately is equal to 29. So the answer is 29. So the shortcut is, because if something is increasing by some percentage, you take it as b, some b or a or something, and suppose somebody wants to reduce their own intake in order to manage, that means you have to make b divided by b plus 100, okay, and into 100, because divided means what, they have to compensate, that is a division. Okay, but if they are overtaking means it will be multiplication. Okay, now they are compensation, decreasing means what, divided by, so b, normal b, because it is increased by some percentage, that is called increased by 100% into totally final 100%. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, thank you very much. If anything means you comment in the comment box. Okay.